Hey there, tech enthusiasts and AI dreamers! Are you ready to unlock the power of artificial intelligence? What if I told you that you could build your own mind-blowing AI app today with absolutely zero experience? Stick around because I'm about to show you exactly how to do it. You see, Python isn't just popular, it's the undisputed king of artificial intelligence. Tech giants like Google and Netflix are powering their AI with Python. So if you want to play in the big leagues, Python is your ticket to the show. Why? Well, it's got a super easy syntax that even beginners can grasp, a massive ecosystem of libraries that do the heavy lifting for you. Well, buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey that lines take you from complete beginner to AI pro. By the end of this video, you'll have built 3 real, working AI projects. Artificial intelligence is like teaching a computer to think and make decisions. Machine learning is giving that computer a ton of examples so it can figure out patterns on its own. And deep learning? That's when we create artificial brain cells called neural networks to solve super complex problems. Then we'll use a pre-trained model because why reinvent the wheel? And fine-tune it for our specific task. Watch closely as I code this live. Feel free to pause and type along with me. Don't worry, I'll walk you through every single click. Try it out yourself. Snap a pic and see what your new AI brain thinks it is. The dataset is all the information you feed it to learn from. The possibilities from here are endless. Here are some pro tips to take your AI game to the next level. Training is the process of teaching your AI, and inference is when it uses what it learned to make predictions or decisions. 2. Join AI communities online to learn from others and showcase your work. 3. Build a portfolio of projects. It's your ticket to landing cool AI jobs. If you've learned something new, and I bet you have, do me a favor and smash that like button. I'll be checking them out, and the coolest ones might just get featured in my next video. And if you want to keep leveling up your AI skills, hit subscribe. I've got tons more mind-bending tech tutorials coming your way. Until next time, this is Alex signing off. Stay curious and keep building the future. 4. Stay on top of AI trends like large language models and generative AI. First, we need to install Python, the engine that'll power all our AI adventures. We're talking cloud servers, mobile integration, the works. It's going to be epic. Remember, every tech giant started with a single line of code. Who knows, your AI creation could be the next big thing. We're going to create an image classifier that can recognize different objects. We lines use natural language processing and LP libraries like an LTK or Spacy to give our bot the power of understanding and generating human-like text. Don't freak out, I promise it's easier than it sounds. Then we'll grab Jupyter Notebook, which is like a playground for coding where you can see results instantly. Lastly, we'll install some crucial libraries: NumPy for number crunching, pandas for data manipulation, scikit-learn for machine learning magic, and TensorFlow to build neural networks like a boss. No fluff, no filler, just pure, actionable steps to create applications that'll make your friends' jaws drop. Professional, totally bonkers, drop your ideas in the comments. I'd love to see what wild directions you take this. And it lets you prototype ideas faster than you can say machine learning. We lines combine speech recognition with the AI skills we've learned to create a program that can understand your voice and respond intelligently. Imagine creating an app that can recognize objects and images, chat with users like a pro, or even respond to voice commands. Sound impossible? Well, get ready to have your mind blown, because by the end of this video, you'll be doing all of that and more. But first, let's talk about why Python is the ultimate language for AI, and it's not just us saying this. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, but what exactly am I going to learn? This is a beginner-friendly, hands-on Python AI tutorial. We're talking step-by-step guides to build real-world apps that you can actually use and show off. So whether you're looking to boost your resume, start a side project, or just impress your cat with your newfound AI powers, you're in the right place. Before we dive into the good stuff, let's get you set up with the essential tools. Pro tip, I've put all the download links in the description below, so you can follow along without missing a beat. Now, let's break down some AI fundamentals in a way that even your grandma could understand. Some key terms you lines here a lot. A model is like the brain of your AI. Alright, are you ready to build your first AI app? First, we'll import our data, a bunch of labeled images, and boom. Just like that, we've got an AI that can tell the difference between a cat and a dog. Feeling pumped? Great, because we're about to level up and create a smart chat bot. As we build this, I want you to get creative. What kind of personality should your bot have, Sassy? Now for our grand finale, we're going to build something truly spectacular, your very own voice assistant. You know what's mind-blowing? You just built the basic foundation of what powers Siri and Alexa. Let that sink in for a moment. So you've got these awesome projects under your belt. What's next? 1. Find massive datasets to train even smarter models. Remember, the field of AI is constantly evolving, so never stop learning and experimenting. Wow, we've covered a lot of ground today. Now it's your turn to shine. Share links to your AI projects in the comments below. Speaking of which, you won't want to miss our upcoming guide on how to deploy your AI app in the real world. So there you have it, you came in as an AI novice, and you're leaving as someone who can build intelligent applications from scratch. Keep coding, keep creating, and never stop pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI.